So most of us, we barely use any of Google's features. What we usually use is Google search, and then sometimes most of us will use YouTube, and then probably we'll use Google Forms to create forms and share with our friends. But what if I told you that Google has a lot more to offer? Google allows you to create Word documents, allows you to create PowerPoints. Google allows you to retrieve all your contacts on your phone right now, and a lot more that Google has to offer. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's go into the video. Hello and welcome back to Busy Dev channel. Today I'm going to show you a lot more that Google has to offer. Okay, so before I show you what Google has to offer, I want you to subscribe to this channel, hit on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so for what I'm going to show you, I want you to open your browser and type in Google account. So we are going to use a Google account. So just type in Google account, and then on the first line that pops up, tap on account. If you don't see this, don't click on it. But if you see that, tap on account, this page will appear for you, showing you your Google account. Then click on this button, go to Google account, and then tada, your Google account should open. If this is not your name appearing here, I would endeavor for you to sign in into your Google account. Check these details and ensure that's you. Okay, so to make sure, tap on that button, and then you see your Gmail over here. So this is my mail. So for the features I'm going to show you, these are the list of features in the Google that you have. You have Google Sheets, a lot more Google Search. That's what most people will do. But then a lot more people I see use Google Form, Google Classroom, and then a few others. So the first feature I'm going to show you is the Google Translate. Okay, so from here, from the list of options over here, just click on Google Translate, and then this page is supposed to pop up. And so this is the Google Translate page. Okay, so basically what Google Translate does is it helps you to translate from one language into the another. So you can translate text, images, documents, and the rest. So I'm going to type in a certain type of text. I want to go home, and I want to translate this into Spanish. Then tada, you see over there, Google Translate automatically. You can click on that button to help you copy it. So you can translate to different languages. Okay, you can even translate images too. So click on images, and then you can drag and drop, or you choose to browse any file and drop. So I'm going to drop a picture of my thumbnail. Okay, you guys are going to see a certain magic work right now. So I upload my image, and then first it shows me my image. Okay, so now that the actual translation is going to be done. So still translating into Spanish, I click on Spanish. It's taking some time to load, and then it's translating. Okay, you guys will see a certain magic right now, and then tada, the translation has happened in the picture. Okay, that's also awesome about Google Translate. The translation happens in images. Okay, so when you have any image you want to translate, even documents too. So I'm going to upload a document and translate my document. Okay, so let me go to my document. I think I have a document on finance, so let me upload that one. The document is actually in English. Okay, so I'm going to translate it. Now I have to choose the language first before I translate. So here I choose Spanish again, and then I translate. Okay, you guys are going to see how the translation is going to be done nicely. So I'm going to open that. Let me open the original document for you guys to see the original document. So my PC is taking some time, but then it will load in a few minutes. Don't forget, you can also upload the link to a website, and then you view the content of the website. Okay, so this is my original document. You see everything here is in English, right? So I gave this to Google Translate to translate all this into Spanish, and so you're going to open that document to see that it was really translated into Spanish, and then oh, tada, you see, Google Translate does it so nicely. It translates the content that I sent it, I mean the Word document, and then it turns it to Spanish. What I love about this one is that it keeps the editing. Okay, so you see the stars and the numbering and the full stops and everything. Google Translate makes sure to keep all those edits and doesn't change them. Okay, so that is it for Google Translate. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one I'm going to show you is, you see you have a lot of cool Google features over here, but the one that interests me most is the Google Earth. So click on Google Earth. Google Earth is quite different from Google Map, okay, in terms of the design, in terms of the UI, in terms of the display of the map of the Earth. I love Google Earth so much. I don't remember the last time I love Google Earth. I don't remember the last time I used Google Map. And so when you open it, you see something like this. You see, this UI is so nice. Just pass your mouse pointer over it. If you're using your phone, just pass your finger over it, and then the globe rotates. Okay, so I'm going to search a location. See, Accra. Yeah, my spelling is not correct. So Accra, the capital of Ghana, and then just see what will happen right now. Google Earth automatically zooms in into the map of Accra. So here I see the map of Accra, and then just click your control and your just try to zoom in. Okay, so I'm zooming into the Accra Sports Stadium. I could also save this location and choose to share this location with my friends with Google Earth, just like Google Map. Okay, you see this button there of a human, just click on it, and the blue lines that you see, click on any of the blue lines, your view changes automatically right now. And so with my Google Earth, I could actually have a 2D view of the particular location that I want. Okay, this is so cool. This is so cool. You can never be lost with Google Earth. Okay, just select your location, and it gives a view. This is not live. Take note of this is not live, but then you get a view of the environment before you even get there. Okay, so with Google Earth, anytime you're going to some place that you are not sure of the color of the building or sort of anything, just come to Google Earth, explore these features, view the location that you want to view, and you can. The cool thing about this is that you can tilt, you can view in 2D, you can have a detailed look of certain locations. Okay, so that is Google Earth for you. I find this to be very cool. Let me see your feedback in the comment section. What do you think of this? Now let's go to the next one. So the next one, I'm going to look at not Google one. Let's look at Google Photos. Okay, most of us use Google Photos to store photos on our mobile phones, but what if I told you that you can retrieve all these photos on your PC? Yes, so the Google Photos you backed up on your Google Photos are on your PC. Okay, on your Google Photos too, you can upload a picture from your PC. Okay, so this picture I'm going to upload will reflect on my phone. So I'm uploading a nice picture over here, and I'm going to view that picture into detail over here. So I click on that picture, and then automatically this page will appear. When this page appears, and that is it. That is the Google Photos. Okay, Google Photos automatically gives you details about every photo, allows you to delete and update every photo right here on your PC. Okay, so now let's look at the next one. The next one I'm going to look at is, let's look at Google Sheets. And then apart from Google Sheets, let's look at Google Docs. Okay, these two usually come hand in hand, the Sheets and the Docs. So the Google Sheets, the Google Docs you see here is for typing Microsoft Word. It's similar to Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can type in Word documents. So if you're collaborating with others and you are supposed to type one document, you can come here and type anything. So here I want to type how I started. This is a heading I'm typing. So I'm going to show you a cool demonstration. What's wrong with my keypad? So I want to type in how I started YouTube. Okay, and let me bold in this. You see the features here are just like your Microsoft Word document. So how I started YouTube, and then under it, let me just type in something. Starting YouTube was easy. Okay, starting YouTube was easy. And then here you can even change the title of the document. So I'm going to change the title to my YouTube journey. You don't have to just click on enter key and then it is saved. You don't have to click on Control S or anything. Okay, another cool thing about this one is that when you want to collaborate with others, click on the share button, and then when this link pops up, you can enter the email of the person you want to share this with. Okay, but then if you want to give access to anyone with the link, you can do that too. And then over here, you just go ahead and then you copy the link. So copy the link and paste it to wherever you want to, give it to wherever you want to open. So let me open a new tab and open that link to show you something. Okay, so upon opening of the link on the person's PC, the person just sees the Microsoft Word document. Okay, so I mean the Google Docs document. Okay, so with Google Docs you can collaborate with others and work on projects at the same time. I mean, on a Microsoft Word document at the same time without you sending and receiving from the person all the time. In addition to that, Google Docs offers you formatting features similar to that of the Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can underline, bold, change the font, change, zoom in, zoom out, spelling and grammar check. Everything over here can be done just like in your Microsoft Word documents. That's why I enjoy the Microsoft Docs so much, because with this I know my documents are safe. Even if I lose my PC, my documents are safe. Now let's look at the Microsoft Sheets. So I have some couple of sheets over here. Let me open a sample one. So tada, you see this sheet, it looks just like an Excel document. Okay, so here the editing features are like that of the Excel. You can share the link just like I taught you in your Microsoft Docs. So click on the share, allow anyone with the links to view it. Okay, you can even change the title over here, and then it's very similar to that of the Microsoft Docs, like I said. So that is it. Now let's move on to the next one. That's the Google Contacts. Now with the Google Contacts, I actually have a video on it already on my channel. So in the comment section, I'm going to add a link in the description for you to view the Google Contacts. Okay, so Google Contacts allows you to view all the contacts on your phone. You can extract all these contacts as a Excel document and even as a PDF. So you just click on print and then you extract all your content as a PDF. Okay, I'm not going to talk a lot more about Google Contacts because I have a video on it. Okay, so just tap on the link in the description. You can create contacts, do a lot more with Google Contacts, and then that is it. Google Contacts offers you the ability to see all your contacts. Okay, so the next feature I'm going to show you is the Google Slides together with the Google Classroom. So most of you have been exposed to Google Classroom before. Google Slides, let me come back to my Google Slides. Okay, so Google Slides just like Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, but this one is everything is done online. So as soon as you edit something, it is being saved automatically. You have the ability, you have templates that you can work with. Okay, so you can go on and edit your documents and whatnot. Another feature also here is the Google Classroom. This is my example of my Google Classroom. So Google Classroom allows you to have a virtual class. You can organize meetings over here. You can even organize quizzes for your students over here. If you're a teacher and you are watching this, if you're a teacher, you can use the Google Classroom to organize meetings, to organize classroom quizzes and whatnot on Google Classroom. Okay, so just come here and explore these features. Make sure you are using them to the fullest. Okay, so that is it for now. These are the features I want to show you in our video today. Go on to your Google account, explore more of these Google features that you see over here. I see Google Calendar, I see Google News, I see a lot over here. I see blogger, ads, travel. Explore a lot more of these Google features which are very helpful for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video. That will be all for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.